as you can see here, we have a paintbrush. Yes, we're going to make this paintbrush. And I want to do another visual slash compass notebook. Just rip out a page and start drawing. And then this will end up looking like this. Yes, I know that it's sideways, but there's your brush, and then there's the... Now, if you notice, this is way larger than this, and that's because each row is a single square, and so, of course, it looks a lot bigger than it is. So, we're going to get started. Alright, so here are our paintbrushes. And as you notice here, I've colored it, but then I've also drawn with a black pen. And what it is this is this row here. And always remember that when you see a line like this, that stitch and that stitch is going in the same row. And sometimes I skip a space, but you know that's going to be the same row, just like here. So what I did is I counted 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to get it where you guys can see it a little better. So the first stitch is here, and the last stitch is here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's right in there. I don't know if y'all can see that. 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So I did purple. On here, I did it in different kind of colors because I want to distinguish the different sections. So this is 5. So this first row is 5. This first row is 5. So you're just going to count. You're going to pull your needle through here. Once you pull your needle through that hole, pull it through, you're going to count upwards. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to go in that hole. So you're going to have 5 holes that you're going to go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on your plastic canvas, you're going to count 5 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to pull your string through. You're going to come through this hole, and you're going to stick it back in this hole. And you're going to pull it back through this hole and go in through this hole. Just like here. You're going to come through this hole and stick it in that one. You're going to come out that hole and stick it down in that one. And you're going to go all the way across. You're going to go across 23 times. So your first stitch to your last stitch is 23. So there's 23 of these. There's 23 of these. Then on your second row, same scenario. You're going to go in the same hole. That's going to be hole 1, which has already got a stitch in it from this one. But that's still 1. So you're going to go up 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to go in the 5th hole. So just like here. This is number 5 for that row. But that's going to be number 1 for your new row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. So from this hole to this hole is 5. So you're going to go in this hole and go down this hole. Come through this hole and this hole. So when you flip it over, it's kind of the same, but it's a little more slanted. So the back looks as good as the front, as you can see here. The next row is different. On here it's black, black, and black. But on mine, I did it in 3 different colors because you want to do it in 3 different type of stitching. So this is going to distinguish your little lumpy where your paint was dipped in the bucket, and this is like the bristles. So this can be another color. This is your paint of your paint, whatever you're going to paint your house with or whatever you're going to paint with, and then this would be the bristles. So it can be any color. It could be black, light gray, it could be light brown, cream color, whatever. So the first row, if you can't really tell it, so I'm just going to, let me put this here. Let's see, is here. Okay, it's right here. Oh, sorry, go up a little further. Is here. That's where it's divided. See where it's divided right here? And then this stitching is also 5. There's only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's only 5. But you're going to have a little purple in there. And then the rest will be black. So basically what I did is, since this row is already done, instead of trying to complicate this, you know that you're going to come in this hole here, like you did here, but you're only going to do a stitch. So the first row that's purple, you're not going to do anything with it. You're going to skip over and go to the second row, and you're going to do one stitch. So you're going to come through the material this way and go back in this way, that one hole. Then you're going to come back through here, you're going to come out here, and you're going to go up one higher. Then you go in here and come up one and go in one higher. And then you're just going to kind of follow this little pattern as you see here. See that little pattern? Once you're done, then you'll fill in the black. So that's that. So you've got these two rows, 5 and 5. This is going to be row 5 also, but you're going to do the little purple here. And that's what I've done here, as you can see. That's one stitch that goes in one hole, so that's 2, that's 1, 2, 3. So you're going to come through the plastic canvas and go through here. Come out the canvas and go straight back into that one. You're going to go over it, and you're going to come up and down. So this is going to be different for each person, depending on how you want to do it. So that's my count, and of course your count may be different. And that's okay. That's what makes your paintbrush's personality different. And then once you've gotten this done, you've got to complete the row, this row here. So once these are done, you're going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you know that this row is going to start here. So how I would do it, instead of coming up this way, I would start here. So I'd come through my plastic canvas here. I'd count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then I'd come up through the canvas, stitch it down, stitch it down, stitch it down, and then until I go all the way across. And then I would come back through here and do 5 and go all the way across and make a straight row. And make this straight row here. So this one is 5, 5, 5, and 5. The only difference is this little pattern here, which is the purple. On mine, I did a different color so that you could see the distinguish between each section. So it's not going to be blue and light blue and pink. It's going to be all the color that you choose. So once you've completed this, you're going to count up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to start this new strip here, and then you're just going to fill this in. Then you're going to make this rows of 5. So then it looks like that. Now we're going to do this little silver strip, which is the part of the metal part of your paintbrush. So you're going to do one stitch all the way around, and then you're just going to fill this in. So that's what I did. I made one stitch all the way around, and then I filled this in doing diagonal. So on here, you see what I did. There's one stitch, one stitch, one stitch, all the way around, come back up, go all the way across, and go back down. Then once I got it finished, I just filled it in like this until it was complete. Okay. So now the handle's different. You see this handle? See my handle? It's very different. Mine's shorter and fatter. So the handle can be done any way. So here's the handle. I'm just going to hold it up there like that so you can kind of see it, because you can count it yourself and do the rows as you see here on the canvas if you want to screenshot that. And then here's the neck. And then here's the top. So screenshot that, and then screenshot that, and screenshot that, and then screenshot that. Okay? So now you've completed your paintbrush. And like I said, the handle will be different for each person. Just like you see here. Rows of 5. See how I've counted, same color? Rows of 5. And then there's your little gray strip, and then there's where you filled it in, and then there's the handle. So I'm going to slowly put it there so you can look at that to count it, if that makes it easier. and then the black part is the handle, the hole in the handle. I would not cut that out until you get the entire thing outlined. So there you have it, a paintbrush. And that's as simple. And I had to use 2 pieces of paper. You see, I had to tape my paper together to make this design. So it may take more than 1 piece of paper, and it may take more than 1 attempt. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy your paintbrush. And then there you have it. So basically you have your template, and then you just follow what you see here, here. But make sure the back is clean, because remember, people are going to see the front and back. So you want to make sure your seams are consistent so that it looks good. And if it doesn't matter. I mean, who cares? It's yours. So if you have someone who likes to paint, this would be cute. You could even do different colors for school, like if you're a teacher. And red is for bad, yellow is for, you know, caution, and green means you're great, you're good, you're good to go, whatever the colors mean. I don't know, I'm not in school anymore. So you could do these for the students. You can have one color for each student, and then you can hang it up on little hooks on the wall in the classroom, and so it could have somebody's name up here, Diane or Nessa or Zach, and up here at the top, and then you can have your paintbrush here, and you can have all 3 of them hanging, and depending on what color they are, you just line them up. So let's see. So here we have the dark purple. So if you're hanging it up on the classroom wall, and purple means they're great, perfect, they're doing good, or if they're in trouble, and light purple means they're in trouble, and then you just kind of hang it on the wall. So, see? I think that's kind of cool. So, there's those 2. See if I can get them to fit on the screen together. There you go. So, you have light purple, you have dark purple, you can do any color you want. You can even do these different colors if you want to. And then it's the same technique as you see. There's your dark purple, and your black, and then your silver, and then your handle. Then you have the really cool paintbrush. So, it can be the same way. You got this one, and then you got that one. So, thanks for watching. Please like or give thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so you'll get an update when my next video is coming out. And also comment. This was another idea someone gave me in the comment section. I had done crayons, and they really liked that because they're teachers. So they like the paintbrush. I thought that'd be a fun idea, because then your paintbrushes kind of match your crayon box, and you can use it in the classroom for your kids instead of other things. And at the end of the year, it'd be kind of cool, because then you can give the kids their paintbrushes to take home, to hang on their wall or whatever. I just think that'd be a great gift to give the kids to take home. So I don't know, they may not like them because, you know, red means they've been bad or something. I don't know. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all that cool stuff that they tell you to do at the end of their videos. If you will do it for me, I would definitely appreciate it. I appreciate your loyalty. I appreciate you taking time to watch these videos. And I hope it inspires you to create more stuff. So if you do create this paintbrush creation or any other creation, please comment below. Hey, come check out my video. I uploaded it today. I want you to see what I did. I would love to see your interpretation of my video. I definitely. And if you give me permission, I may even upload it to my channel if you say that it's okay with you, so that people can see your inspiration along with mine. So thanks, and you have a wonderfully blessed day.